friends, welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to talk about gold, what gold is going to do in 2023. Are we going bearish or we are going bullish? Are we going to make a new high? So what's going to happen, we'll discuss in this video. So what we are going to do, we are going to start with the 12 monthly chart. Basically it's a yearly chart, or you can say each candle is representing 1 year. So as you can see, we are pretty much bullish there. So as we can see, we made a new high, then price came down, made a pullback, we made the support, and now we broke a previous high as well. So we are bullish, we are making higher highs and higher lows. So what can happen right now? The price already made a higher high. So the you know one possibility is the price will continue higher because we have already broken the previous high. Another possibility is we can come down for a correction or the pullback before we continue higher. So both possibilities are there, but we'll discuss further and to know what's exactly going to happen. So if we see more closely, then you will see that there was a resistance, price close above the resistance, and then we have last two yearly candles, 2021 and 2022, closing bearish, respecting this resistance and support. So now the possibility is, because we have the two candles closing bearish, so that definitely the price can come down, but that totally depends upon how we have you know uh, this yearly candle closing. So if 2023 closing bearish, something like this, then there'll be high probability for the price to come down and retest the lows. But in this video we are going to discuss what's going to happen in 2023. To find out more detail what's going to happen in the 2023, we'll go to the lower time frames. So we'll consult what's happening on the 6 monthly chart, where each candle is representing 6 months. So as we can see on the 6 monthly chart, we are making a high we made a low, then we made a support, and right now we have broken the previous high. So we are making a higher highs and higher lows on the 6 monthly chart as well. And at the same time, you can see that we have a support here. Price made a support and price made a resistance. So again, on the 6 monthly chart as well, we are in a range. So like, what's going to happen in the next 6 months, or the later 6 monthly candle, later 6 months of the year, will totally depends upon how we have the first 6 monthly candle close for the 2023. So if we get the first 6 monthly candle closing something like this for the 2023, then there'll be high probability for the next 6 monthly candle to close bullish, and that will make the overall 2023 as a bullish year, right? If that does not happen and we get the first 6 monthly candle closing bearish below the support, then there'll be high probability for the next 6 monthly candle to close bearish, and that will make the overall yearly candle for the 2023 to close bearish as well. So that will be the situation depending upon how we get the first 6 monthly candle close for the 2023. Now as you can see, the picture is not clear what's going to happen on the first 6 monthly candle, so we'll go to lower time frame to find out more details, right? We'll go to 3 months time frame to see what is going to happen on the 6 monthly chart. So as you can see on the 3 month chart, we are making high, low. It's not a higher high, but if you see the lows, we are making higher lows. We have the low, we have the higher low, right? And then we made a high, and right now price came down here, and it's a little bit pullback. Price can still come down to retest this recent to retest this broken zone. As you can see, one time it was a strong resistance, price broke, but we did not came down for the retest. So we can come down or we can continue higher. As we can see, we have a resistance here on the 3 monthly chart. Also, price made a fake out on the 3 monthly chart as well. The candle closed below, and below the support, and the next 3 monthly candle closed back in the range, and we already filled the range as well. So right now, if you talk about the current support is right here. So again, there is no clear picture on the 3 monthly chart because we are in a range. There is a resistance, there is a support. The picture will be more clear if we break this range. If we get a 3 monthly candle, the first 3 monthly candle of the year closing bullish, will indicate that there will be higher probability for the next 3 monthly candle to close bullish, and that will make the overall first 6 monthly candle to close bullish, and that's gonna make a higher probability for the next 6 monthly candle to close bullish and overall yearly candle to close bullish. If that does not happen and we get uh, a candle, suppose this first 3 monthly candle close bearish below the support, that will make the high probability for the next 3 monthly candle to close bearish, and that will make the overall first 6 monthly candle to close bearish, and higher probability for the next 6 monthly and the overall yearly candle to close bearish. So a lot will depends upon how we have the 3 monthly candle, this 3 monthly candle closing, right? Now to find out more detail, we'll go to monthly time frame to see what's exactly going to happen on the 3 monthly chart. Now, if you look at the monthly chart, we had a resistance, we had a support. Also, there was a fake out, as we can see. Now, overall, if you see the monthly chart, we are pretty much bullish. We are making a higher low, higher low. We made a high, and then we made a low. And right now, we are between this resistance and the support, right? Also, you can see that we had a fake out, price closed below this support, then we closed back into the range, and now we have already filled the range. Now the recent support is going to be right here. Also, we can see the first monthly candle of the year is already closed. The January candle has already closed, but we did not close above the resistance, so still we are into this range. Now a lot will depends upon how the February candle is going to close. If we get a February candle closing something like this, you know, if we have the February candle closing bullish, then there will be high probability for the March candle to close bullish, and that will make the overall quarterly candle, the 3 monthly candle to close bullish, and then there will be high probability for the next 3 monthly candle to close bullish. That will make overall 6 monthly and the yearly candle to close bullish. If that does not happen and we have the February candle closing bullish, in that situation there will be high probability for the March candle to close bearish, and that will make the quarterly candle to still stay in this range. If we have 3 monthly candle closing bearish here, that we already discussed, that if we have the 3 monthly candle closing bearish, then there will be high probability for the 6 monthly and the yearly candle to close bullish. So a lot will depends upon how we get the monthly candle close February and the March. So according to that, there'll be the anticipation, or the clear picture how we have the 3 monthly, 6 monthly, and the yearly candles going to do. So that's it, guys. This was a small video on the gold, how we are going to do in 2023. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.